Okay, I am discussing question number 13 from the back questions of aldehydes and ketones, which asks for distinguishing tests between the following compounds. First of all, propanol and propanol. I have drawn the structure of both the compounds. This is propanol and this is propanol. Now, how you are going to distinguish between both of them? You can see that in propanol you have COCH3 group. That means it is a methyl ketone. And for methyl ketones we have iodoform test. So what I do? I react this with NaOI, which is the reagent for iodoform test, sodium hypoiodite. This CH3 will be replaced by ONA. So what do you get? CH3 C double bond O ONA. What do you call this compound as? This can be written as CH3 COONA. So this is nothing but sodium ethanoate or sodium acetate. Sodium ethanoate. And the other compound is a constant CHI3, which is a yellow precipitate. This compound is constant in all the iodoform tests, whereas this is not a methyl ketone, so this will not give this reaction. What do I write over here? Does not give iodoform test. This compound is called as iodoform. Okay, your next is acetophenone and benzophenone. I've drawn the structures. This is your acetophenone, which is again a methyl ketone. It is having a COCH3 group. So again, I will take iodoform test only to distinguish between both of them. This CH3 will be replaced by ONA in the products. We C double bond O ONA. C6H5COONA. What do you call this as? Just like you call this as sodium ethanoate, you will call this as sodium benzoate. And the other compound is a constant CHI3, which is your yellow precipitate. This compound, it is not a methyl ketone, so it will not give this reaction. You will write the whole statement, does not give iodoform test over here. Okay, phenol and benzoic acid. Now in the picture that I have sent, I've already given that for acids, for carboxylic acids, we use the NaHCO3 test. NaHCO3 test. Okay, now this compound is what? You've already done this reaction in class 10th. NaHCO3 is sodium bicarbonate. Okay, so what is formed? You will get the sodium salt of benzoic acid, and along with that you will get water and carbon dioxide, and there is effervescence because of carbon dioxide over here. While this is not a carboxylic acid, so NaHCO3, it will not give this test. You will write does not give NaHCO3 test. Benzoic acid and ethyl benzoate, again this is a carboxylic acid, so we will again use the NaHCO3 test, which will give you sodium benzoate again, H2O and CO2. It will give effervescence with NaHCO3, while this is not a carboxylic acid, so it will not give this test. So after every distinguishing test, the statement that you're going to write after writing the two equations is, for example, in the first part you will write propanone will give positive iodoform test, while propanol will give negative iodoform test. Over here you will write acetophenone will give positive iodoform test, while benzophenone will give a negative iodoform test. Over here you will write benzoic acid will give a positive sodium bicarbonate test, whereas phenol will give a negative sodium bicarbonate test. Benzoic acid will give a positive sodium bicarbonate test, while ethyl benzoate will give a negative sodium bicarbonate test. How do you name this compound? We start from here. Just like here I am saying sodium benzoate. This is your benzoate. Similarly over here you will name this as ethyl, and then this is your benzoate. So this becomes ethyl benzoate. It is an ester.